How to create a Binance wallet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a Binance wallet account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to create or register for a Binance account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Binance app, and basically this is the kind of interface that you can see. So you can select what kind of user you are, and after you've selected that, it will basically install a couple of plugins and features. Now here, if you have not already created an account, so it says I agree to Binance, so you can select sign up as an entity, or you can enter the email address that you would like to use for Binance here, right? So just go ahead and make sure to enter your email address you want to use, then tap on the next option. After you do that, if such an email address exists, it will also ask you to verify it and then create a password. So you just need to verify your verification code that you receive on your email, then tap on next. After you've done that, you have to create a password, and then your Binance account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to create Binance wallet account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.